Mastering the Art of Easel Setup, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of art: easel setup. Whether you're a budding artist or just curious about how artists prepare their workspace, this video is for you. We'll break down the process step by step, so you can understand and apply these skills in your own artistic journey. In this section, we'll delve into what an easel is and its importance in art. An easel is a stand or frame used by artists to hold and display a canvas upright. It's a crucial tool for painters, allowing them to work comfortably and efficiently. We'll look at different types of easels, such as A-frame, H-frame, and tabletop easels, discussing their unique features and when to use each. Now, let's talk about setting up your easel. The key to a good easel setup is ensuring it's stable and adjusted to your height. We'll guide you through the process of opening the easel, adjusting the height, and securing the canvas. Remember, comfort is key, so take your time to make these adjustments. A well-organized workspace enhances creativity and efficiency. In this section, we'll discuss how to arrange your art supplies around your easel. This includes placing your palette, brushes, and paints within easy reach. We'll also touch on the importance of good lighting and how it affects your work. An easel is an investment for any artist. Here, we'll share some tips on maintaining your easel. This includes regular cleaning, tightening loose screws, and storing it properly when not in use. A well-maintained easel can last for years, becoming a trusted companion in your artistic journey. We hope this video has shed light on the art of easel setup and its significance in the painting process. Remember, a well-set easel is the foundation of a great painting experience. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to experiment with different setups to find what works best for you. Happy painting, and see you in the next video.